Good morning, my lovelies. Yay, we're together again today. And today we're talking color, color, color. It's March, and March is the month we talk about color. And today we're going to be talking about mixing colors, but not really mixing them. We're going to talk about pointillism and George Seurat. And we're going to listen to Maddie and Dada. They're going to help us learn about George Seurat and pointillism. And then we're going to do a really fun art project with our paint daubers. You'll see. All right, get ready.
Oh, that's not right. I want a more purpley purple.
Wow! Maddie, look at me! Woohoo! Hey, I got it! Whoa!
Huh? But these were just different colors. How did you do that?
I don't know. I just took them like this.
Oh, it changes color. I was trying to do the same thing with my paints. See? I was mixing blue and red to make purple. But I couldn't get the right kind of purple for my butterfly. But this is like magic.
Juggling is like magic.
I'm going to find out more about colors, Dada. Come on. Look, Dada, a colored disc. It says that when it spins, our eyes mix the colors.
Eyes mix the colors. Our eyes are like magic.
That's just like when I mix yellow and blue paint to make green. Only now it's my eyes mixing them. Hey, it says this artist did a whole painting that makes the person looking at it mix the colors with their eyes.
What do you mean? I'm looking at it, but I'm not mixing anything.
Well, that's what it says.
Well, let's go find out. Whoa!
Hello, you must be the artist, Monsieur Georges Seurat.
Absolument, that is me. Bonjour.
I'm Dada.
And I'm Maddie.
I've been watching the construction of the Eiffel Tower. A most magnificent feat. You see it being put together piece by piece, and in the end, voila, one masterpiece.
It looks very different up close.
Indeed, it is made of little pieces.
Ooh, look, Dada, look at this.
Dada crazy! A painting of colored dots.
Dots? What are you talking about, Dada? It's a beautiful sunny day by the water.
Up close it's one thing, and far away it's another, like the Eiffel Tower.
Bit by bit, dot by dot, I constructed a whole painting.
Monsieur Seurat, you must be really, really patient.
Mais oui, it took me 2 years to paint this. I call it a Sunday afternoon on the island of La Grande Jatte.
And all made out of colored dots.
Yes, instead of mixing the colors first, then painting them on, I let the eyes of the person looking mix the colors instead.
Like that color disc, Dada.
Except this painting isn't spinning, so that's why I am!
Mais non, non, the spinning won't help. You must go close and far away.
Okay, that sounds better, and I won't get so dizzy.
Yellow and blue dots.
Look like green leaves.
And that lady's purple pom-pom.
Red and blue dots make purple. Magic, wow!
And there's so much to see in the painting.
A monkey! I like monkeys.
Oh, Monsieur Seurat, you have another painting.
Hey, look! The dog! Wow! A monkey! Hey!
Dada, you're all dots.
I feel dotty. This is fun! What a silly monkey!
We're not dots anymore.
That has never happened before.
Strange things always happen when Dada's around.
I liked that monkey.
This one I call Chahut. I am almost finished it.
It's just like we're in the audience, looking up at the dancers.
Dada, wow. I like the shoelaces.
You have the same shape for the hanging lamp. Oh, and the mustaches, the flowers, and the lady's expression.
Yeah, look at their legs. They're all stretched for me.
Oui. I'm having a lot of fun with this painting.
It looks like you have a lot of fun here in Paris, Monsieur Seurat.
It's fun just to look at the painting.
Yeah! Dada, it looks like you belong in the painting.
Ah, oui. I will paint a jolly man right in that corner. That is perfect.
And I just saw something here, Monsieur Seurat. Look at this, Dada. The colors of the musician's jacket. It's purpley. It looks so just like what I was trying to do for my butterfly.
Yup, all dots.
I can paint my butterfly with dots.
I have called painting like this pointillism, which means made of dots. Dark colored points to form a hat. Then light colored ones, like this, to make his face. Oui. Then some lips, some dark dots to outline his coat. Fill it in with lighter dots and some hair, and voila!
Bravo, Monsieur Seurat. It's excellent.
This was fun.
Thank you so much, Monsieur Seurat.
It was indeed my pleasure. Come visit me again if you please.
We will. Goodbye. Look, Dada, my butterfly. Ta-da!
Wasn't that fun learning about pointillism with Maddie and Dada? I thought that was pretty cool how our eyes mix the colors. When we have that blue and the yellow next to each other, our eyes make it look like green. So let's take a look. Our first project is a color wheel. Wow, look at that. We've mixed our colors. We've got the red on the top, but then next to it, for the orange, it's the red dots and the yellow dots. Let's see if we can make one just like this. Yes, let's take our red and dot. Now we're not going to paint, we're just going to dot. Oh my goodness, let's fill in our red. Then we'll fill in our blue because we're talking about our primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue. Oh my goodness, this is already looking fantastic. Oh, now you know what? I think I want to make my yellow colors next. So I know that to make orange, I need my two neighbors, my red and my yellow. So I'm going to real quick put some yellow in there. Now let's see if it starts to blend and look more orange. Oh, I think it's going to look kind of orange. Yes, you try. You try and see what happens. Now let's see if we can do the same thing with our green. We're going to put our yellow in. And then we're going to add our blue. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's starting to look green. I'm going to pause it while you finish the purple. Wow, that looks terrific. We finish our color wheel, then we can go on to our butterfly. With our butterfly, I'm going to draw that butterfly. Give them great big wings. Now let's see what happens when we use our dots to color him in and see what happens and how beautiful our butterfly turns out. I'm going to pause it while you work and I work too. Oh my goodness, I love mine. I hope you love yours too. Here's our color wheel that we can look at while we're doing it. And I am so, so excited to see what yours looks like. I hope you had a great day making art with dots, pointillism, and letting our eyes blend the colors. See you next week. Bye.